Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. I've already gone through code completion in VA Smalltalk, but I thought I'd go back to it because in 8.5.1, the new release, they've done some major enhancements to this. Now, they talked about this at the STIC conference, but the video is not up yet. Once it is, I'd suggest you take a look at it. There's some really cool work that they've done, but I'll show you some of the highlights. It works a lot of the way it still used to before when I went through this. I start typing and it's going to code complete for me. But interestingly enough, I can now do things like this, collection 1, and I'll start typing AAI. Now you might wonder, what is that going to do for me? Well, it knows about camel casing. So it sees AAI and says, well, it's either going to be add after index or ABR at index. And it's smart enough to know I'm working with an ordered collection. So it's going to give me options for those two. So I can go ahead and hit return. And there I've got add after index. And it gives me the option to put in right in the middle. So I can say add 1. And then after index, I'll go down here and say 1. So I can go ahead and get camel case completion like that. And it works the same way for class names. If I do something like this, RWS, notice that it picks up read-write stream for me directly. Works in a workspace, works in the browser, works all over the place in the tool set. So you can get nice little features like that right in there. Saves a lot of typing. If you know the camel casing for something, it's going to bring it right back to you like I showed you for AAI. And it's going to split on places where there are capital letters, or here you saw with AAI, at the colons. So it's smart enough to do this for class names, it's smart enough to do it for camel casing and for keyword messages. So it's actually very cool, can save you a lot of time, gives you all of the power of things that you see in statically typed languages, but brings it right here into Smalltalk and make your life a lot easier. So again, when the video comes out, I'd highly suggest you take a look at that on the STIC website. That's stick.st. You'll just have to go and look for it. It's not in a feed. But in the meantime, experiment with it and find out for yourself. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.